Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, HID headlights, rear-wheel drive, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, mini spare tire, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.